Coach Jess here. Wanted to talk to you about a few things today. The first being routine and how important it is for us to have routine in our lives and structure. And right now, with everything being so chaotic, I'm sure we're all a little thrown off. I mean, I know I am, and I've been at this for 25 years, and I feel a little up in the air about what to do some of these days, right? So this training plan that you guys are doing, I think, is really important to keep in your day-to-day life. You know, if you're feeling a little unmotivated or unsure of what's going to happen next, this is something you guys can control, and and it's a positive experience. So keep at it. I want to just encourage you guys to keep going. You guys are doing so great. The other thing I wanted to talk about was the why of why you're doing this. You know, I often will talk to my athletes about remember the why. You know, if something comes up like you're injured or, a race gets canceled or, things like this that are going on right now, often I'm reminding them like, well, why are you doing it? Are you doing this to get to a 10K? Yes, that's the event at the end of the training, but you're training to be healthy, you're training to change your lifestyle, you're training to lose weight, you're training, to be with your friends. I mean, there's many reasons why you're doing it. So try to remember those things in these days that are kind of seeming a little crazy right now. And lastly, I want to make sure you guys all stay safe. So, they're recommending not to run in groups, of course, right now. And, even with one or two people, you're trying to keep a social distance. But, I tried to do it the other day and, a car came and we're kind of squeezing together. And I'm just maybe encouraging you guys to run by yourselves right now. Hopefully it's not for too long. And if you have a training buddy that you rely on, maybe you can meet virtually for a coffee on Skype after or something like that, right? I mean, think of creative ways to get together with your running buddies or with that person who keeps you motivated right now. And of course, get on the Facebook page and post your workouts. And there's all kinds of people who are on there encouraging each other, and it's been a really positive experience for a lot of people who are taking the time to post. So I will sign off with that. Okay, stay safe, everybody.